Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Small Trades, where we trade small for big gains. This is going to be a quick recap of today's trading. I was trading 4 different Apex accounts. 3 of them were just funded. We passed them on Friday, and one we started trading today. One eval. Okay, so a 50k eval. 2 funded 50k, and one of them is 150k Apex eval. Prop accounts. We were trading NASDAQ futures, so I'm gonna go in order of what you see here. So you see on the right side 4 different balances listed. So the top one is the 50k eval. That's actually the one that I traded towards the end of the day. So the way that account, it started with a 50k and I made $329 there in profit. I took just a couple of small trades. I'm gonna quickly go over those right now. You can see them in front of you on the screen. Okay, so here are the quick trades breakdown. All right, so this is around, as you can see, 3:23 p.m. when the market found a bottom here, so it kind of went down quickly and then started going once, twice, and I missed this entry a little bit here, as you can see, uh, but it continued to go up higher, and so I caught this breakout with a 1 mini. Okay, so what I also did is, so the best option would have been obviously to get in over here, but it looks like I missed this entry. So the market just kind of, gave about 10 points here, then went down, and then held this rise, and quickly started regaining momentum to the long side. I just went in long here, expecting there will be some stops to catch up on top here. So I went with 1 mini long. What did I get here? About 8 points. All right, and then the next trade was to basically re-enter this, and the way I re-enter is using our big beautiful rectangles. And the way I set this up is I draw a bull flag, I stick a big rectangle in there, and use that area as an area for a bounce, where I expect to bounce. So as you can see, the price went up, went inside this rectangle that I just drew, and it bounced out of there. And I took a quick scalps from there. Okay, so that was another way to quickly scalp right before the market closed. So the market closed right here. So I got out right before the market closed with a $329 profit. Okay, let's quickly look over at the next account, which is the funded account now, 50k Apex funded account. Today was the first day I was trading it. Again, I started with a 50k. As you can see, it is up by $340. On this account, I just did one trade. Again, similarly to the previous trade I just showed, the price just kept going down, down, down. When it found some sort of a bottom here, I waited for a bounce. Then it did this, I call them a bend or a leg. All right, so it did one bend, then another bend, and then I entered here on a breakout, caught quickly some roughly just 9 points, but this was a nice big position. This was 5 mini lots of NASDAQ, right? So again, we caught about 7 points there. Doesn't sound like much, but that did generate $340 profit, and it was very quick and painless. So I love this trade. It worked well. I got in, got out, and done. And you see, it got out perfect timing there. So I love this trade. Perfect entry, perfect exit. Okay, let's move on to the next account now. Here's the next account, the 150K account with Apex. This is a funded account. All right, so let's take a look at this trade. The NASDAQ again was going down, started finding some support. I think what I was looking at here was the trend line that was happening from here, 1, 2, and I was looking for a third bounce. I noticed the price was finding some support here. Okay, so it was bouncing from here. It broke down, sort of did like a fake out, so I thought maybe it'll actually go up higher. And I was actually thinking it's going to go up this at least up here, if not higher. But good thing I did not anticipate. I participated, right? So the way I participated in this trade was, again, so the price went down, it went up, then it did a little bit of pullback, this one-legged pullback, and then I entered here. Again, this is pretty risky of a trade, and I went in with 5 mini lots, and I targeted, what was it? I got 17 points here, but I was targeting at least these stops. I figured a lot of people, will also notice this breakdown here. They're gonna want to short from here, and this first come first serve type of customers will get stopped out, so they'll be hiding over here. And I was hoping they'll be hiding here too, but anyhow, I did get my 15 points or so. Great trade at one time, and generated nice profit there of $700. Okay, so now let's look at the next trade we took on the funded account. So the last trade here on this last account happened after that last trade that I showed you earlier, which was right here on a 150K account, where we were supposed to go up higher, but then the price broke down. I set my order right here, thinking this will be a nice trap. If the price grows here, it might trap people and go up higher. Didn't exactly do that, but it did get me in, and it did not go lower. It did find a bounce, so I got out of with one mini lot right here. I got my 7 points, and then from there, I think I was looking for a breakout again, so I did 1, 2 bends, and then I placed my order here. Price broke out with 5 minis. I got another 7 points, so it's on 5 mini lots. That's a nice trade. Okay, so therefore I got $456 in profit on the funded 50K account, and I think I called it a day on that account as well. So altogether, we made about about $1,700 on across 4 accounts. I think that's a pretty solid day on these accounts. I've also traded Take Profit Trader on the side, made another $1,000 there, and I've also passed a 150K account with Topstep, which I'm planning to trade tomorrow. Okay, so I hope you tune in and check out my trades. Again, please subscribe and like our videos. Small trades, where we trade small for big gains. As you can see, the trades are small, very quick and painless, but they do accumulate and generate nice profits. Again, thanks for watching. Have a great evening. Good luck. Bye-bye.